she's with me right now. And we're gonna make a real order. So, this is my first vlog ever. So, this, some Ate Nadine, someone ordered from her, so I'm gonna do it because she's tired, right? Right? Yeah. So, but she said only blue, so I'm gonna just do only blue. But I'm gonna put some other colors because she said I can do some other colors if there's not. And she ordered because she ordered one Semarol ball pen that is have many colors. Yet put it right there. And how do I this na lang. So she okay. Okay na po. Oh, there you go. So this is not mine. This is Ate Nadine's stuff. But I'm just gonna borrow it because someone ordered. Okay. So this is the marker she ordered. I think this is not purple and this is blue. Thank you. And she said one black office pen and one sharpener, of course. And from here we have a ruler and a correction tape. And some stickers. I'm gonna do this really fast, bro. Some stickers that is SpongeBob and a hamster. Okay, this is what she's ordered. This is what she ordered. Gosh, so messy. So this is what she ordered. And bye guys. See you later. Bye. This is all. Bye.